Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about US dollar index. So let's get started. Last week, today is August the 4th and Sunday morning, right? So last Friday, we end up the week with the NFP, non-farm payroll, right? And in same week, we had FOMC as well, right? Earlier. So both news, FOMC and then on Friday, NFP came out bad, and because of that, USD started to get weaker, right? So let me show you my charts from a few months back and how I have my analysis and what they're doing now, right? So this is the monthly chart, US dollar index, 13th April I made, and this is a monthly chart. And I had this target, I mean, not the target, I mean, this number of concern is 1753. So I said, we probably going to go up a little bit, hit that 1753, and then we're going to drop first to this 1026 and break that, this rising tier. We're going to break that and then go maybe the outer tier if we break this and if we go below this, right? We may go up again, but if always if then, right? So if we drop, we're going to go drop, hit this one, and then, one by one, level by level, right? So, and then in the meantime, at the same time, actually, I start making the weekly chart as well, which is like this one I made for the 1st of May. That also, it's like, okay, 1753, the same number here. And this is how the monthly look like. I mean, weekly chart look like, right? So we're supposed to be dropping from there, 1026, right? Their first target. So what happened to this chart is this. So start to drop here, right? And then you just retrace a little bit. And I made this chart on the 25th May, again, saying that we're going to drop. And the target is still 1026. So what happened to this chart is then start to drop here, right? So that chart, I lost, I don't know where it is now. But on June, I made this chart again from the top, says, well, this is the original target, and we stick to that target. 1026 is the target coming down here on June. And now here, see this one before it didn't say it, but now I realize that maybe it is making a triangle in wave B, right? So this is A, and this whole thing drop here, right? And then it's like A, B, C, D, E. That will make a wave B triangle here. So that will be A, this is B, and then we go down for wave C again, right? So that's the idea. Maybe, maybe not, but that's what it looks like. So what happened to this chart? It went up a little bit, and this is, I made the chart here in 6th July, right? But still, the idea was that, okay, it is still a big possibility of this triangle. Now, this one, yeah, right from there, we went up actually here and then start to come down here. So that was 6th July, right? And then what happened to this chart? And it came down here. Then it went up again. And now the number in question was this rather than this. It's a 1390 I have written here. The watch 1390. And my take was that we're going to hit the 1390, stay below and drop. Maybe we go up. If we go up, then we will be going up to 1465 and then drop back to 1026 or even 0926 or rising tier. So what happened to this chart? This was made on 27th. And as of today, August 4th, this is what happened. So right from there, it went up, hit that 1465, right? And dropping. And now bypassing already, 939 is gone. This one is almost gone. This one is gone. And powerfully coming to the downside. Why? Because this week we had FOMC weaker than before and NFP weaker than before. So USD is in trouble now and is going down. Unless we get some good news, it's going down and the target is 1026 and then maybe this number 0926 or rising TL all the way here, right? So that's where we're going to finish up this wave B of a triangle. And then we may bounce and then go back towards E because triangle have usually 5 legs, A, B, C. D is underway, then we go back for E, and then it in the direction of the previous trend, right, which was this one. So we are correcting A, B, C, And now, so far, after remember the first chart, the monthly chart I showed you, how it looked like now? This. So I said from 1753, it's going to drop. First target is this, rising TL and 1026. Then break that, and we're going to go here. So we are very close to our first target. Let's see what happened after that. We hit that target. Are we going to break below that or going to bounce? Time will tell, right? So this is so far US dollar index is doing. And I have obviously, you all know that, Renko charts, my, setups, trading, I trade these pairs accordingly. And I have written here that what will happen if USD is coming down, US dollar is getting weaker, then what will happen? Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD. They will go up, and USD Yen, USD CAD, USD Franc will go down. And that's exactly what's happening right now. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos and on time, and then you can take advantage of the situation or the setups, right? And these are my website. If you want to learn, I have many opportunities over there to learn, and many things are discounted right now, so take advantage of that. So that's it. And you can also join my Telegram free trial Telegram from my website. So go there, either here or here, and join, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.